everyone, it's Madi Madison from Spectrum Art.
Yes, hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Spectrum Art. Okay, so
Good
what have
morning.
we got today? Good morning. Well, it could be afternoon.
You never know what
You
they are.
never know. That's right, what time they're watching this. It is morning for us, though, in sunny Florida. And we are going to be sharing with you guys today our film strip embellishments, because these were so much fun to actually make. So we wanted to share them with you. So I'll go through these in a bit, but I wanted to show you all the ones that we've had. And we'll also make one together. And we're gonna go ahead and give you the tools that you're gonna need. So let me slide these to the side. And let's talk about what we're gonna need to make these. Madison, what do we need, honey?
Scissors.
Okay, so just plain scissors, right?
Yep.
What else?
White glue.
White glue. So you guys start gathering your stuff. What else?
Die cutting machine.
Oh yeah, that one. Hang on. Now, again, there are many different kinds of die cutting machines. This is the one that we use. It's called the Sizzix Big Kick, right? And so this is the one that we use, but golly, there's many. Some electronic ones, some smaller ones, some bigger ones.
Hand tool one.
Yeah, the hand crank. Well, that's what this is. What else are they gonna need?
Picture strip die.
Yes, you're gonna need some dies. This one here is from, and you see we made both sizes. Yes, thank you, Madison. This one's from BoBunny, and it looks like this. And then what other one did we use?
Tim Holtz.
And then we used the Tim Holtz alterations. Let's see, this one's called Mini Film Strip and Mini Tickets one.
They're awesome.
And it actually it punches both at the same time. So there's that. And for that one, though, they're going to need the extender platforms. Where are they? Because the machine comes with this size platform, but you're going to need these, the longer ones, for this die right here. Okay, so if you're using that, you'll need the extender or the longer platforms. What else are they going to need?
Images.
You'll need some images, and they'll need to be small, because remember, they need to fit in either these little holes right here, right? Or these little holes right here, right? So they need to be tiny images. What else will they need, Madison?
Paper strips.
Yep. And you can go through your scraps if you have some. It doesn't take much, obviously, to go ahead and create one of these. And you'll notice that we actually have dots on those. That's one of the tricks that we learned, that you can just kind of place a little dot, and then that way when you are ready to do your images, you have a placement right on there. Yep. A way to place those on there. And what else?
Ink for picture edges.
Yep. So you'll need some ink. This ink, any kind of ink, even a marker
or paint, acrylic paint.
Yep. With your finger, you can use paint also to just go around the edges and, you know, kind of go around and give it a nice finish. And what are some of the optional things you'll need?
Laminating machine.
Right. Now, for some of the tickets that we'll show you, we actually use, we laminated them because we wanted them to look like strips, film strips. So you'll need a laminator machine. We use this one, but there are many different kinds. This is just a Scotch TL901, but there are many different kinds of laminator machines.
Yep. You can also use a heating.
You mean the self ones?
Yes.
Yeah, they do sell at Walmart. I know they sell the self-laminating pouches, so you could use those. But we did use regular laminating pouches with the machine. And if you're gonna do that, you're gonna need to use
glossy accents.
Right, and adhesive like glossy accents, because you're gonna be gluing on plastic. So white glue is not gonna work on that. Okay, so those are the tools that we're gonna need. So gather up your supplies. By the way, if you don't have the dies and you have a machine like, the Brother Scan and Cut or the Cricut, thank you, Madison, yes, you're so smart. And you have either one of those, you can actually find templates online and go ahead and cut them out that way, right? Other than that, it's gonna be pretty hard to do with an X-Acto knife, and I mean, to cut out these little squares. I honestly don't see how, I don't see how anybody could do those. But so I would recommend that you either get the dies or you use your machines, anything to that extent. All right, so let me clean this up and we'll do one together real quick. It's pretty basic, but we'll do one together just so we can share with you how we've done ours. So here we have one punched out already. So we've used our die cutting machine again and we've used black cardstock to go ahead and do that. Madison went ahead and had created these backgrounds a while back, and we just saved the scraps. It's just all old book pages. And what she's done is she's used, I don't even know, honestly, this was a while back, probably oxides or acrylics, and then it looks like some white gesso. Maybe she jelly plated these. I'm not sure, but they're just scraps of paper, okay? Not all of them are that way. We used some cardstock and some other little papers that we had. And then what we went ahead and did was, you could do it two ways, like you notice on that other one I showed you, I had created some dots. That's because we were laminating. This one I'm not gonna laminate. So we can just go ahead and take our white glue. And by the way, if you guys notice, I'm still wearing my blue. Just a reminder that April is what? I think you're all tired of hearing, right? Hopefully not. It's Autism, right? Awareness Month. So make sure that you guys wear your blue. And if you notice this one, oh wait, did I grab the wrong piece of paper? Oh guys, I think I grabbed the wrong piece of paper. I did. This one's too short. Hang on. I grabbed the wrong one. Where's the other piece of that? Is it this one? Was this it? Yes. Yes, I did grab the wrong one. Oh, hopefully we still have enough glue in there. I think so. It doesn't take much because it's just paper on paper. And, right now I'm just going to glue these down the way we had done the other ones. Some of the glue kind of gave out on here because I grabbed the wrong piece. See, that was one whole strip, and so we went ahead and cut it. And this was the leftover, and this is the one we were going to use. Okay, so there we go. Same thing, it's the same piece of paper. And then we went around the edges and we distressed it, and we used a black marker too to go ahead and make sure that we get those. No, we already did it. It's already done. And these images are going to go right here in the middle. And these are really funny. I know they're so hard to see because I'm so far away, but when we are done here in a second, we're gonna go ahead and we'll do some close-ups, and we'll actually load some still pictures on the back, on the end, and then that way you guys will see them. And by the way, if you're wondering what we would use these for, we would use those for journals. You can add them to your journals. Yes, Madison, you're right. We can use them for ATCs. What else?
Also,
what else have we used them for?
Cards.
Yes, you could definitely put these on a card, right? These would be awesome on a card. And what else? A pocket letter?
Yeah, pocket letter.
Yeah, I agree. Pocket letters.
Bookmarks.
Oh, these would make great bookmarks, Madison. You know, that's genius. I hadn't thought of that. Actually, we can even take these as a whole, and instead of just laminating the background, which I'm going to show you guys how we did those, you can laminate the whole thing. Where are those scissors? No, we'll use any scissor. It's just paper. You can laminate the whole strip, and it would make a killer bookmark. Yes, you're right. What else could we do with these? We can put magnets on the back, right? And put them on dry erase boards or refrigerators or whatever. Oh, and you know what? You don't have to use just any image. You could actually take your family photos, or if you're giving them as a gift to someone, maybe their photos, and just shrink them down right on your printer, and then print them out. But there you go. What's that?
Animal pictures too.
Oh my gosh, yes, their pet, right? Or your own pet. How cute would that be? But let me see if I can bring this light up and you guys can see a little bit better, hopefully. But again, I'll do some still photos. But you see those? How cute are those? And so that's what we're gonna be doing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run through these real quick, but I'll do some still photos, I promise. But this one's a Harry Potter one, and they're all black and white hand-drawn sketches of the Harry Potter characters. You have the Weasley and let's see.
The Potters.
Harry Potter, right?
And also
Careful with the...
Dory,
Who?
the horse health.
Oh, Dobby.
Yeah, Dobby.
Yes, yes. And these are some just beautiful book pages with some animals. You got butterflies, you got a little doggy and a peacock and a cat and a horse and all kinds of really pretty ones. This one was actually made with, these are actual stamps. So these are all stamps. That's why they say like 300 and 400 cents or CR. I don't know what country that's from. But those are really, really pretty romantic ones. What else do we have, Madison? Oh, more Harry Potter, of course. Madison had to have more. So these are a lot of the Harry Potter images and just really pretty ones.
No point.
These, okay, now this one I want to leave for last because I'm going to explain that one. Here's a Peter Rabbit one for Madison's upcoming journal she's working in. She's working on her Peter Rabbit journal.
Have you seen a video of Tammy's stuff?
Yes, Miss Tammy Hallwood did some amazing Peter Rabbit stuff. Here's some vintage random images that Madison picked. These are so cool.
I like that one.
Yeah, she's neat. I like this one. I like that one too. I like all of them. They're pretty neat. This one's gonna wait. Okay, this one, these are just fairies. Again, I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's a fairy riding a bird. And they all have fairies in them, basically. So those are really super cute. Then these are some Victorian ladies. They are super cute as well. And these are just some really pretty girls that Madison chose with pink hair and a crown, and one has a little top hat, a bow, yeah. These are some 3D ones. These are actual stamps that we had stamped and then colored and then mounted on pop dots. These are just plain stamp images. Pop dots, yes. Okay, now these are the ones that I wanted to show you guys last. Because what we thought was, you know, when you get a negative or a film strip, they usually have like the laminated stuff on the inside, right? So I don't know if you guys can tell, if the glare will show, that these are actually laminated. So what we did was, after we had done the placement, we actually laminated the back strip and then mounted that using glossy accents. But it's really neat. If I had to choose, do I like this finish better or this finish? That's a really tough one, guys, because they're both equally cool. But this definitely, for me, it makes it look a lot more like an actual negative or film strip, having that. So that one was done this way. And again, this one's got all kinds of vintage images. As you can see, cameras, hourglasses, typewriters, keys. This one's got crowns. You gotta watch this, Madison. It's okay. This one's got crowns, and again, it's laminated. I think you guys can see the glare. This one's got moons and stars. It's so cute. And then this last one, thank you, Princess, is also Harry Potter. So yes, Madison did quite a few Harry Potters. Yeah, the Griffin, yeah. And there's Dobby again. And what's the name of the owl? I forgot. I forgot. But this one's...
No, Hedwig.
Oh yeah, that's it. And there's a double-decker bus. So these are laminated. So again, just another idea. If you want to take it a step further,
you can also do,
instead of just
You can also make some unicorn.
Ooh, unicorns would be one real nice ones, right? Yeah. So it's up to you guys. Do you like this finish right here? Or if you like, you can laminate them and make them look more like that. So 2 different ideas, and you can do black and whites, you can do colors, you can do just about any theme, and there you go. Look at all the ones that we went ahead and created and had so much fun, because I would definitely recommend, and I think I'm gonna have Madison go back and probably just punch some of these and just put them in a bag. And then that way we have them ready. And anytime that we're working on a journal, on a tag, on anything, and you just want to go ahead, and you just want to go ahead and, you know, pop something in there with a theme, then you can just go ahead,
and work on it.
Yeah, and just get the background and the images. Oh, you can even use letters. You could spell a name, right? You could do like Madison, That would be cool. So many ideas.
Or I have another idea. But you can spell Kateri with it too.
There you go. So many different ideas. So we hope you have enjoyed them. We hope you will try them. If you have any questions,
please leave the comments below.
Please leave a comment below. And then also make sure that you guys, ooh, careful with the table, Madison. Oops. It looks like an earthquake. Make sure that you guys give us a thumbs up, right? If you like it, subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. That's right. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.